So today I'm going to do a quick oil change on this. I'm such a bad owner, I can't even remember the last time I did that. I got myself some mobile oil. I didn't want to put 10W40 in it because I'd heard some bad stuff about it. I'm sure somebody's going to slate me in the comments, but that's what I'm using. Because I went to my local garage and they're all Ford guys, and I said I was going to put 5W30 in it because that's what I've seen in the book, and a few people have mentioned that's better than 10W40. But they were just saying that with this, it's probably just going to leak past the oil seals, and it has got a couple of oil leaks as well. So I'm going to go get it a bit warmed up. I'm going to get some soil for a different project, and yeah, I'm going to whip it on the drive, jack it up a little bit, and drop the oil, do a filter change. Now I'm hoping I've got the right filter because I've already got a filter in a box and I don't know where it came from, but it seems like it's the right one for this car, so I'm hoping that works. If not, I'll either have to stop what I'm doing, or you know what, I'm probably going to have to put the old filter back on, because I'm going to have to move this car so I can get the Capri back in. Eee. God, it's a lot, isn't it? Should just have one car, really. So if you can see here, my oil filter is around the back. Looks like I can access it from the top, which is great. I'm going to check it up though a little bit just so I can get the drain plug out and put something on the floor. Well, as you can see, it's quite oily under here. Not quite sure where that's coming from. I'm not going to do anything about it now. As you can see, I'm doubling up on the oil pans. Can't be too safe. Let's crack it. Right then, what we got? Ugh, spider webs. Ugh. I don't know if this is the right one. Ah, there it is. There she blows. It's my guy. So here's the old filter, and here are my choice of two new ones. This one seems to be identical to that one, except for the inside, and this one seems to be just a bit better and looks the same as the inside of that one, so probably put this on. Okay, so screwed in the new oil filter, and I've cleaned up the sump and the plug, importantly. Got that in tight. Use the old 13mm to get that on there. Just lower it down, fill it back up. Hi there.
Excuse me.
Yeah?
Can you get the cork?
The cork? Oh, in the back, is the one in the back garden?
Yeah.
I'll go get it for you.
Exactly. Hi, Chris.
Hi, how are you doing?
I tried to search your Facebook page. What was searching? What came on your
I'm under There we go. Alright then, so it's been 2 weeks since the oil change, and all has gone well with the car since. Obviously I didn't expect there to be any problems anyway, but one thing that did happen was the breather on top of the rocker cover seemed to start leaking oil, and now I didn't change that because I didn't have another one. So I bought another one of those for about £4.50 off eBay and stuck that on, and all seems well. There's still a little bit of trail of oil occasionally, so I'm wondering if there's a couple of pinholes maybe rusted through on the rocker cover. Don't know if that's a thing, but I can't see it leaking down anymore, so maybe that's my problem. It's just around the base of the funnel on the rocker cover, I don't know what you call it, wherever the breather goes down the top. I should really do a 6-month service on this car. It's definitely coming up for pads and probably discs, and I should definitely do the points or convert to electronic ignition. So if you have any suggestions, drop them below, and if you like what you see, subscribe up here. More videos to come, not on this car but on the Capri and some other things as well. So yeah, cheers for watching. Come on.